Hey everyone, this is Mechacore Studios, and this is my current game project. I've used the Blender game engine to create a kart racing game inspired by Diddy Kong Racing and also Mario Kart 64. I've spent about 7 months working on this project, and this is what I have so far. So I'm just going to go ahead and launch the game. Alright, now in order to make the kart actually drivable, I've used a model called the Vehicle Wrapper. It's a collection of Python scripts which help emulate car physics in Blender. I tweaked and modified the scripts in order to get more control over the kart. For example, you can steer normally using the left and right arrow keys. In addition, I made it so that you can also press Z while steering, which makes you turn more sharply. This is going to be a key mechanic in the game and will be used to go around tight corners. I've also tried to make the kart react to the terrain. For example, the kart gradually slows down when driving in grass or sand, encouraging the player to stay on the track. The back tires also emit different colored debris on different terrain. One thing to note is that I've created all the assets for this game. I modeled the kart and the environment and textured them myself. I'm also composing original music, but in a style heavily influenced by David Wise's work from Diddy Kong Racing. This is most of what I have so far, but I still plan to incorporate more features. I'm planning to have at least 4 different levels in the final game, but this track, Saw Shark Beach, is the most complete one as of now. Now, as you may have already noticed, the computer kart hasn't gone very far from the starting line. Actually, it just turns left. Indefinitely. I'm working on artificial intelligence in a separate file, which I'll show in another video. There's still a lot of features I'm going to incorporate into the game. Once I get the computer karts to sear successfully, the next major thing is to create a power-up system, so karts can collect items on the track and use them to their advantage. I also have to create a main menu system where you can select tracks and set other game options. Also, I still need to conceptualize a system to calculate the race positions of each kart. As you can see, the HUD overlay is still made up of static text placeholders, which is why the timer is stuck at 1 minute, 23 seconds, and 45 milliseconds. And you're always in first place, which really isn't much of an accomplishment since the computer kart just sits in front of the starting line. So that's most of what I have so far. Feel free to check out my development blog and my SoundCloud, both links are in the description. In my next video, I'll show my current progress on the AI system. Until then, thanks for watching.